Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I always think I'm going to do some new intro, change it up, and then I don't. But hello. So today I'm going to be showing you a day in my life. I felt like this was kind of similar-ish to a routine video, so I hope that you like it. I'm going to be cooking, going all around town in Nashville, just showing you what a day in my life looks like and kind of what I've been up to recently. So follow me along in this day and let's hop right in. So I'm starting off this day with cooking one of my all-time favorite recipes from HelloFresh. So I know I'm going to be having this for dinner later when I go to Bible study. So I'm making it ahead of time. And this meal is so amazing. I honestly would have never even thought to have made anything like this. And it ended up becoming not only one of my favorite recipes, but one of Dan's favorite recipes as well. So I started off by chopping up my zucchini, my tomatoes, and then I de-stemmed some thyme and then chopped that up as well. Then we mixed all of those veggies in the bowl, added the thyme. Then I added some pepper and some salt, and I stirred all of the veggies together. I also think I added a little bit of olive oil, by the way, and spread them across a pan to roast in the oven for about 20 minutes. At this point, I took the chickpeas and I added them into the bowl, some smoked paprika, which, side note, is also so interesting because this is something I love about HelloFresh. It can really help you get out of a cooking rut and try new ingredients that you might never have tried before. I know I found that for myself personally, a really cool thing to experience. Also, as you just saw, all of HelloFresh's ingredients are not only super fresh, but they're also pre-measured, which makes the whole cooking process very simple. So at this point, I was chopping up my spring onions and I added some butter to a pan, and then I crushed garlic and threw that in with the butter as well, which is one of the best smells on the planet. And then I threw in the whites of the spring onions. I actually take it back. That is one of the best smells on the planet. And then I threw in the couscous to the pan and some veggie stock concentrate with some water. And then I stirred it up and let the pan heat up. Also, if you're wondering, this meal only took about 30 minutes, which is approximately how long all HelloFresh meals take. So it's super fast, which is awesome. And at this point, I pulled the chickpeas out of the oven and I took my couscous off the stovetop. Once it was done cooking and looked nice and juicy, I pulled out my veggies, poured the chickpeas on top, added some lemon juice, poured the feta cheese on top, all while Bowser stared very jealously. Sorry to say this, Bowser, but you do have a lot to be jealous of in this meal. It's so convenient. You literally let HelloFresh do all of the hard work so that you can just cook, eat, and enjoy your meals week after week. All right, this is one of Dan's favorite HelloFresh meals.
Gotta get the perfect bite.
Yeah, go ahead, Dan. You get that perfect bite. So, is that a Nikkiphillippi response? By the way, guys, if you've never tried HelloFresh, you can actually get $60 off, which is $20 off your first 3 boxes by visiting HelloFresh.com and entering the code HelloNikki60. $60, guys. That is amazing. So yeah, once I was done cooking up my meal, we headed out to Barista Parlor, which is a local coffee shop, to go pick up my sister, Shayna. All right, so I came to get Shayna Bobena at Barista Parlor. Yo. She's been working on, what, just oil stuff, pretty much?
Yeah, your skin looks so clear.
It does?
Yeah, it looks like you're wearing makeup right now. Are you?
I am wearing makeup.
But it looks really clear.
But the makeup looks great. I feel like I've got a cool casual look going on right now.
You do, and I like your shirt.
Like an FBI agent. This is actually on Audrey Roloff's line.
Oh!
Isn't that funny? Yeah, she sent me, look at how cute this is, guys.
So darn cozy.
She sent me this, another sweater that
Oh my gosh, always more than
Dan makes fun of me though because every time I'm wearing it, he goes, always more.
I think that's
shut up,
so
Dan.
Cute. Dan's a freaking turd.
Whatever, Dan.
I'll publicly announce Dan's a turd.
I know, I feel bad. I just said shut up, Dan, and then you called him a turd. We don't mean any of those things. No, I do. We were picking up Shayna. Dan's getting coffee. And we're just gonna like hang out, work on stuff. I gave him the lowdown already, so it's gonna be a good day. Barista Parlor has such a cool vibe. It's a really well-known coffee shop here in Nashville. People love it. I love the atmosphere, and it's just a fun place to meet up. By the way, this was Shayna's and my outfits of the day. looking so cool and so snazzy. All right, so Shayna and I just got back from the coffee shop and I'm sitting down to eat some lunch. This is actually like leftover food that I made yesterday when I filmed those cooking videos. I turned my little chickpea avocado feta salad into a sandwich. I made some guacamole, I'm having some salsa. I'm gonna keep eating and working on stuff with Shayna, and then we'll head to the next appointment in a little bit. After we were done eating, Shayna got a little work done on her computer while Zoe sat on her lap and cuddled. She's so cute, it's actually insane. And then Shayna and I actually did a live stream oils class. So we actually taught a class about essential rewards. If you guys have seen my essential rewards unboxings, which by the way, I'm sorting through all of that. I know they're privated right now, but we'll be figuring it out soon. But Shayna and I actually taught a class on it and really explained like what essential rewards is and just hung out with everyone on our team. It was a super fun time. So I completely forgot to get footage when we went to go get our hair done. I have little clips from like when I've gone before and you can see how crazy this machine is. It only takes 20 minutes. We're in, we're out. So I know I've mentioned this before, and actually there have been two things that have been a part of my hair regrowth. And one of them has been Rogaine, and this has been another part of what I've been doing recently. And this little light laser thing that you put on your head is supposed to also help stimulate hair growth. So obviously it's hitting more than just the front of my head, which is really where I'm mostly concerned with. But it's just another cool addition to my baldies, as I lovingly call them, regrowing. Also, how crazy is that close-up camera situation? This, by the way, was the day where we actually had a meeting to like look over my hair regrowth and see kind of what is going on up close. I love this clinic, by the way, and I highly recommend them. So now we're gonna take my dress that's hanging in the back to a dress shop to get altered because I'm wearing it to my friend Amy Thompson's wedding in a couple of weeks and I need to have it shortened. Oop, hit my hat. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. So woohoo. So after a kind of failed attempt at trying to go get my dress altered for this wedding.
By myself.
What?
I made the failed attempt.
It was your failed attempt, actually.
Because you were too lazy to look it up yourself.
Dan saved the day though, and he found us a fancy looking alterations place. So now we're gonna go in, drop my dress off, and yeah. So yeah, I was very happy that I found this alteration shop. Actually, fast forward, spoiler alert, I went to this wedding over the weekend and wore the dress, and they literally did a perfect job with the hemline. I've gotten things hemmed before and they've messed it up, not them, but people in the past. And this place did an amazing job. Just a fun side note. And then when we got back, Shane and I grabbed our stuff together and headed off to church for Bible study. I go to a midweek women's Bible study that Shane has been going with me to lately. And we brought the food that I made from HelloFresh to Bible study that night. And I actually got everyone to wave and say hi. So say hi to my Bible study. Hi guys. And yeah, we did that for the night. And then when we left, it was dark and it was beautiful out. I love how they have twinkly lights in front of the church. And that is all. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my last video if you missed it. I feel like this is like a week of routines because I actually have more routine videos coming up. So I will see you guys back here soon. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and yeah, bye.